In today's digital world, UPI has revolutionized how we pay, fast, easy, and always at hand. At the center of this system is your UPI ID, your digital address for money. Instead of sharing long account numbers, you just share your UPI ID, usually created when you set up a payment app like Paytm or Google Pay. Most default UPI IDs are based on your mobile number, making transactions simple, but exposing your personal contact with every payment. This means every time you pay a vendor or shop online, your phone number is visible. That's a privacy risk, opening the door to spam, unwanted calls, or worse. Your phone number is tied to your social media, contacts, and daily life. But now, you can take control. Enter the personalized UPI ID, a feature that lets you choose a unique ID, like a nickname or a custom name, instead of your phone number. This small change protects your privacy and keeps your contact details safe. It's a big leap for user security in digital payments. With a custom UPI ID, you get peace of mind with every transaction. Why switch to a custom UPI ID? The answer is privacy. Your default ID, your phone number, acts like a public name tag, visible to everyone you pay. This can lead to spam, scams, or even harassment. A custom UPI ID hides your number, adding a vital layer of security. It's also more professional. Imagine sharing Raj cakes at Paytm instead of your personal number for your business. It's easier to remember and share too. You can even create different IDs for business and personal use. This isn't just about convenience, it's about owning your digital identity, your money, your rules. Take control with a custom UPI ID. Switching to a personalized UPI ID on Paytm is quick and easy. First, think of a unique ID, maybe your name, a hobby, or a mix of both. Open the Paytm app and tap your profile icon. Go to UPI and payment settings. Find your current UPI ID, then select Add New UPI ID, or try Personalized UPI ID. Enter your chosen ID and check if it's available. If it's taken, try another. Once you find one that works, tap Confirm. Your new UPI ID is now active, ready to use and share. Your old ID still works, so you won't miss any payments. No more sharing your phone number with every transaction. It's that simple. Protect your privacy in just a few taps. Paytm leads the way, but custom UPI IDs are coming to all major apps, including Google Pay. The rollout depends on your bank and app updates, but it's expanding fast. On Google Pay, check by tapping your profile, then payment methods, and look for Manage UPI IDs. If you don't see the option yet, keep your app updated. It's on the way. This shift is industry-wide, driven by the need for better privacy and security. Soon, whether you use Paytm, Google Pay, PhonePe, or others, you'll have full control over your UPI ID. It's a small change with a big impact. Digital payments are becoming safer and more private for everyone. Watch for updates and be ready to claim your custom ID. Your privacy is finally a priority. Custom UPI IDs mark a turning point in digital payments. No more trading privacy for convenience. Now you can have both. A unique ID shields your phone number from spammers and scammers. It's a boost for security and professionalism, especially for small businesses and freelancers. Setting it up takes minutes, but the benefits last. As this feature spreads across all apps, your financial identity is safer than ever. Technology is finally adapting to your needs. Don't wait. Check your app and create your custom UPI ID today. Protect your privacy and take charge of your digital life. In a connected world, your data deserves protection.